Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Take the histrionics of an acting guru, add the genius of a thespian, combine the flair of an actor and director, and the empathy and humanitarian aspect of a Dalai Lama award winner, and you can hope to get some measure of Padma Shri Anupam Kher, our dear Anupam Kher, sir. The best thing about you is you. Nothing is all wrong. Even the clock that has stopped running is correct twice a day. Kuch bhi ho sakta hai. There is positivity all around this person. Eternal optimism. Ladies and gentlemen, no wonder corporates and business schools often invite him when people are stressed. What to do, how to get the lead from acting and from the guru himself. 100 plays, 450 films, transgressing from cerebral to hardcore masala films with equal elan and ease. Who but Anupam sir? 8 Filmfare Awards in a row. Having grown up amidst the willowy hills of Shimla, Sir Anupam Kher graduated from National School of Drama with gold medal in acting. However, Anupam sir, I believe, is a teacher at heart. He taught dramatics in Lucknow before his Bollywood debut, and what a debut it was. National award-winning roles in Saransh and Daddy. Who could ever forget it? Who could ever forget Wednesday, Special 26? He extended his genius into production of national and international films such as Badiwali and Maine Gandhi Ko Nahi Mara. He went international with directors like Gurinder Chadda, David O. Russell, Ang Lee and Woody Allen. He is the only Indian actor to share screen space with the legendary Robert De Niro in the Oscar-nominated movie Silver Linings Playbook. In 2005, Sir established Actor Prepares, a premium acting school in the heart of Mumbai, where he takes time off his hectic schedule to personally impart some of the acting secrets to tomorrow's actors and superstars. Likes of Abhishek Bachchan, Priyanka Chopra has been trained by Anupam sir. Incidentally, he was the director of National School of Drama, Delhi, from where he graduated, and also he was the chairman of the censor board. In 2005, Anupam Kher Foundation was born to set up and spread education to less privileged children and to provide palliative care to people with life-threatening diseases. He is the recipient of the Dalai Lama Award. Sir donned the writer's cap. In 2011, he detailed his philosophy and authored his first book, The Best Thing About You Is You, which has been endorsed by none other than Oprah Winfrey. This book is currently in its 18th edition and has been translated in 13 different languages. Future Media School, the youngest media school from the house of Team Future, which has its presence in the education space for over the last 15 years or so, and has just forayed into healthcare this year. In the morning, we did host with Infocom. We are very, very grateful to Infocom for giving us this privilege of hosting Devi Shetty, and now we host Sir Anupam Kher. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
It was a never-ending introduction, ma'am. It does not match the claps that they... It does not still match the claps. It was a 4-page introduction and the claps are like this. I can understand you people have done 8 sessions, na? The gentleman over there in blue shirt was also sleeping. Sir, good morning. Get up, sir. Time to get up. Yes, you, sir. Yeah. You. I saw you from there. 3 times you dozed. मैंने कहा मर गया किस ऑडियंस में फंस गया मैं. So don't do this to me, sir.
My style of talking is not good.
No. Ma'am, now. This is not right. चलो फोटो खींच लो पहले तो. You know, it's so ironical. I packed my luggage myself, and I packed this nice jacket, my trousers, my shirt, and I forgot to pack my shoes. So I'm wearing my slippers, but as they say, कुछ भी हो सकता है. जूतों की फोटो ले लो पहले तो चलो. हो गया अभी बस करो बाद में करते ना. Om Namah Shivaya. That's quite a frightening thing. So, I don't know, I have no idea what your people are expecting to listen to me. Ma'am, but thank you very much, Maushmi ji, for this wonderful introduction. I want to thank you. And I want to thank everybody who has contributed and paid me little money, brought me by air, made me stay in this place, made me stand outside for 15 minutes. It's very frightening. All conventions that happen in 5-star hotels are very frightening. Because 5-star hotel tries to draw off your personality. You know, first of all, anybody who is wearing a tie can loosen up. You can loosen up your ties because there is no pearls of wisdom that are going to come out. We're going to have fun, we're going to talk about life, going to talk about what is bringing out the best in you. मुझे तो topic भी नहीं पता था. But what is bringing out the top best in you? The problem with cameras are, because I am an actor, my mind is constantly going into this like this. So let's just relax now. Dada, अभी ठीक है चलो अभी बैठो दादा सुनो अच्छी बातें सुनो बैठो ना यार थोड़ी भीड़ ज्यादा लगेगी बस सब हाँ वेरी गुड थैंक यू जय श्री राम वेरी गुड थैंक यू सो स्वीट ऑफ यू थैंक you very much for sitting in the front row. I was missing bald people on the front row. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Oh, there are so many now. Okay, fine. Oh, thank you. These are very technically, very strategically placed in various places, so that I don't feel left out. भाई हमारे यहाँ इस तरह के बुद्धिजीवी लोग भी हैं. But you have a center parting today. Do you? Let's see. No, sir, I'm talking about you, sir. He does not have any parting. Sit. 37, sir. So, but this is the best about you. You see, how many people will Anupam Kher come to and count his hair? This is the best, na? You can tell your generations to come that Anupam Kher, who has done 491 movies, ma'am, not 50, he came and he counted my hair. Even your wife had not looked at your head for such a long year. I'm not coming to you, sir. Don't worry. Don't worry, sir. आपने तो खुला छोड़ दिया मामला. But I must tell you that don't feel very happy, people. There are only 2 kinds of men in this world: baldies and future baldies. So just chill, relax. So what is bringing out best in you? I was born in a very poor family. My father was a clerk in the forest department in Shimla. He used to earn 90 rupees per month, and we had a family of 14 people in my house. We had a house which was, say, about from here to here, and this much house, 1 room and 1 kitchen and 1 veranda. And 14 people, including my grandparents, my chacha, chachi, taya, all people were there together. But the best thing that happened was that we used to bang into each other. Because so many people were there. कोई बाथरूम जाते समय एक दूसरे से टकराता था, कोई किचन जाते समय एक दूसरे से टकराता था. So grandfather said something very nice. He said, the best thing is whenever you bang into each other, just hug each other. So you will feel good about it. Also he used to say that when you are very poor, the cheapest thing available is happiness. I don't know how many of you can believe that, but that is the truth. When you are very poor, the happiness is the cheapest thing that is available to you. I was very bad at studies. एक मिनट हो गया मुझे सबका डिस्कशन कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव प्रॉब्लम मैडम रिलैक्स मैम लुक एट मी इट्स अ नाइस फेस रिलैक्स नाउ एवरीथिंग दिस इज द लास्ट सेशन विल फिनिश इट अर्ली इफ यू वांट सो यू टायर्ड और you're okay ना so let me make me feel that you're okay fantastic so I was very bad at studies. My reference point of all my lectures is my life. I've lived it, so I know it. And I've lived every moment of it. That's what happens to people who are born in small towns. You live life. I was very bad at studies. I never got more than 38% marks in any of my exams. Any. And my father was okay with it because he did not even know what subjects I had. I was very bad at sports. In fact, once my PT teacher saw me running, and for some strange reason he said, even if you run alone, you will come second. I've not been able to figure out till today, how can I come second if I'm alone? So some people said, teri aur teri parchai ka kuch mukabla hoga. Some intellectual rubbish. So in the small town, a boy who goes to a government school, who goes to a school where ABCD is taught in 5th standard. We started learning ABCD in 5th standard. Till 5th standard it was only in Hindi thing. What do I do as a small boy, as a small child? What happens what you do? You dream. You dream of things. You become a dreamer. You become, because it used to be, my childhood friend is with me today. He came from some place, Satish. We used to go walk. स्कूल 8 किलोमीटर दूर होता था, चलते चले जाते थे. कोई आदमी अगर छोटा सा कैमरा क्लिक 3 भी लेके खड़ा होता था तो 20 लोग उसके पीछे खड़े हो जाते थे. सो द लाइफ वाज वेरी इनोसेंट. लाइफ वाज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट सी द अदर साइड ऑफ लाइफ. वी डिड नॉट सी द रिचनेस ऑफ साइड बिकॉज रिचनेस, मनी ब्रिंग्स प्रॉब्लम्स. आई वेंट टू अ स्कूल where teachers used to believe in punishing by hitting on, caning you, murga banate the. But it was very entertaining. I remember our teachers were very entertaining. They had, हमारा एक teacher था वो ऐसे पढ़ाता था, history का, और पढ़ाते थोड़ा उसका हाथ सो जाता था. You know, this used to, it becomes, then वो अपने हाथ से डर जाता था. So, maybe my first symptoms of acting came from there. हम शुरू में हमें समझ ही नहीं आया कि ऐसे बैठ के सडनली ये डर क्या है. तो बिकॉज ये सेंसेशन चली जाती होगी ना, तो एक हाथ उसको लगता नजर आता होगा. हमारे एक टीचर थे, जिनका नाम भी बताया, उनका नाम था जयराम सर. हमारे एक टीचर थे हिंदी के, मुनीलाल सर. उनकी 7 बेटियां थी. उनको हमेशा इसी बात की परेशानी रहती थी, इनकी शादी कैसे करूंगा. तो स्टूडेंट्स को पढ़ाते पढ़ाते अगर बिल्डिंग के बाहर, खिड़की से बाहर कोई नौजवान दिखाई देता तो सोचते थे ये लड़का अच्छा लगेगा मेरी बेटी के लिए. सो वी यूज्ड टू ड्रीम अबाउट बेटर लाइफ बिकॉज यूनिफॉर्म वाज द सेम, फूड वाज द सेम, everything was the same of mine and 500 other children. There was nothing special about us. My father was a very ordinary person. My grandfather was an extraordinary person. He was a very, he used to read out Ramayana and Mahabharata to us. So I grew up in a world of fantasy because that is what gave me refuge. That's what made me feel that one day things will become better. One day things will be, maybe we will have better kind of food, but never felt insecure, never felt, oh, there is a poverty in our life. In fact, I did not feel poor for a long, long time. Only when I started earning money, I realized, oh my God, we were poor once. But that's why 90% of India is surviving, because they do not know they are poor. It's only now with television coming in and satellite channels coming in, they show a certain side of India to you, and poor people feel that, oh my God, there is another world. But in early 60s, etc., we did not even discover. And so how did I get into this? How do I feel that I am the best that has happened to me? I discovered when I did my first play in 5th standard, the name of the play was Prithviraj Chauhan. Have you heard of Prithviraj Chauhan? Of course, educated people. Sorry to ask you this question. And because I was the fairest guy in the class, I got the main role. That was the reason. Teacher's logic was, and also I used to carry Mrs. Bajaj's bag to the school. I was thin. In fact, I was so thin that I could see through a keyhole with both my eyes. So I was given the role of Prithviraj Chauhan, and Nand Kishore was playing. Nand Kishore was a doodh wale ka beta. He was huge. He was 5 times bigger than me. He became Jaichand. Now, if you remember Prithviraj Chauhan's story, is that Prithviraj Chauhan wanted to marry Jaichand's sister Sanyukta, and in the play, उसको मुझे 3 बार तलवार से गिराना पड़ता था. तो मैं प्ले की रिहर्सल थी, तो मैंने तो घर पे जाके बोल दिया था, प्ले में मैं एंड में जीत जाता हूं. तो पूरा हमारा खानदान बड़ा खुश था. बिट्टू, मेरा घर का नाम इस बिट्टू, कि बिट्टू जो है वो प्ले में जीत जाता है, बिट्टू प्ले में जीत जाता है. बिट्टू मतलब फादर बात करते थे, बिट्टू अच्छा तुम कैसे जीत जाता है, तो मैं डायलॉग बोल के दुखाता था. जब नाटक शुरू हो गया एनुअल फंक्शन वाले दिन, तो जब पर्दा ऊपर उठा तो मैंने देखा, फॉर सम स्ट्रेंज रीजन, मतलब खेर फैमिली वॉज सिटिंग ऑन वन साइड एंड नंद किशोर की फैमिली वॉज सिटिंग ऑन द अदर साइड. देयर वाज ऑलरेडी इनहेरेंट राइवलरी. एक खेर फैमिली वाले बेचारे पतले टुकड़े, थके हुए, परेशान, गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस के. ये दूध वाले, मूछे, तगड़े, दौड़े, पहलवान टाइप्स. बट प्ले में तो मुझे जीतना था. देयर वाज, माय फादर वाज सिटिंग वेरी ब्राइटली, ये बेटा तो मेरा जीत रहा है. मेरा डायलॉग था, मैं तलवार हिलाते हिलाते बोलता हूं, टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ एक्टर्स आर नॉट बॉर्न. ये बोलते ना एक्टर्स आर बॉर्न, सब बकवास है. दिस इज माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एक्टिंग. तो मेरा डायलॉग था, चला जाना बकवास कर तू नंदू गिर. तो नंदू गिर जाता है एक बार ऐसे एक्टिंग करता हुआ. तो 3 बार मुझे बोलना था ये. 3 बार वो गिर जाता है और मैं फिर संयुक्ता का हाथ पकड़ के ऐसा कुछ करता हूं और सब लोग ताली मारते हैं. तो मैंने फिर दूसरी बार बोला, चला जाना बकवास कर तू नंदू गिर गया. जब मैंने तीसरी बार बोलना शुरू किया, चला जा, सडनली आई सॉ नंद किशोर का फादर ऑडियंस में से खड़ा हो गया और जोर से बोला, नंदू आपके गिरा तो घर ना आइयो. उसके बाद इतिहास पलटा, नंदू पलटा और जयचंद ने पृथ्वीराज चौहान को उठाकर उसके बाप की गोद में फेंक दिया. एंड इट डिड नॉट स्टॉप देयर. फिर उसके बाद बोलता, बापू अब घर आ सकता हो ना. सो दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ माय फर्स्ट प्ले. पर कुछ भी हो सकता है. यू सी, आई हर्ड दैट डे माय फादर टेलिंग माय मदर कि ये बड़ा कमजोर जैसा लगता है, इसको दूध और बादाम दिया करो. दूध और बादाम खाने से इसकी बॉडी और याददाश्त दोनों सुधर जाएगी. आई ऑल्सो रिमेंबर, आई हैव अ वेरी शार्प मेमोरी. आई ऑल्सो रिमेंबर माय मदर सेइंग, दूध और बादाम होंगे तो दूंगी. तो उन्होंने कहा चने वने दिया करो. दिस वॉज माई फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस. माई सेकेंड एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ प्ले of acting, because I'm an actor, that's why I'm talking about how disasters can help you become what you become. How failure is not necessarily the worst thing that can happen to you. In fact, for me, I celebrate failure, because failure teaches much more than the success. Success is one-dimensional. Failure is multi-dimensional. Failure can bring you closer to yourself, failure can make you explore things, failure can make you work harder. My second play was, in Hindi medium school, there was a teacher of ours जिनको अंग्रेजी बोलने का बहुत शौक था. तो उनका बड़ा एक अरमान था कि वो एक अंग्रेजी प्ले डायरेक्ट करें. पर हमारे हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल में अंग्रेजी प्ले डायरेक्ट करने के लिए स्टूडेंट कहां से आएंगे. तो 1 year what happened, I think I was in 10th standard, or 11th standard, 5-6 students from various English medium schools failed and they joined our school. So they were, in our school they were Einsteins. Just because they went to St. Edward's and Bishop Cotton School. Also I've discovered that हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल के लड़कों को अंग्रेजी मीडियम स्कूल की लड़कियां घास नहीं डालती हैं, और हिंदी मीडियम स्कूल की बड़ी खुशी, बड़ी उसकी एक अंदर वो होती है, जिज्ञासा होती है कि एक अंग्रेजी मीडियम स्कूल की लड़की की मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड हो जाए तो ऐसा. एनीवे, आई विल कम टू दैट टॉपिक लेटर. सो that year when these 5-7 students failed, Mr. Hardarshan Singh, who was our teacher, he decided to do an English play. Play's name was Merchant of Venice. और मैं रिहर्सल में बड़ा चाय वाय लेकर जाता था, रिहर्सल में मेरा तो कोई रोल नहीं था. तो एक दिन हरदर्शन जी को मेरा पर तरस आ गया और उन्होंने कहा यार तू भी एक रोल कर ले इसमें. तो मैंने कहा सर मैं, हाँ वो एक क्लर्क ऑफ द कोर्ट का है, वो बैठा, उसको चार्जेस पढ़ने हैं, तेरे को कागज दे देंगे, तू चार्जेस पढ़ देना. तो सीन ऐसा था कि वो जज बोलता है क्लर्क ऑफ द कोर्ट रीड आउट द चार्जेस. उसमें 8 लाइनें थी और मुझे बोलना था चार्जेस अगेंस्ट यू आर फॉलोइंग, चार्ज नंबर 1, चार्ज नंबर 2, चार्ज नंबर 3. इन द ड्रेस रिहर्सल आई मेड 27 मिस्टेक्स इन दोज 8 लाइन्स. सो हमारे यहाँ प्रिंसिपल साहब बहन की गाली देते थे, सीरियसली ऐसा स्कूल था. तो प्रिंसिपल साहब स्टेज पे चढ़ के बोले बाहर कर दो यार प्ले से. 8 लाइनों में 27 गलतियां कर दी इसने. कल हमारा डिप्टी कमिश्नर आ रहा है, बोर्ड ऑफ एजुकेशन का चेयरमैन आ रहा है, ये ऐसे एक्टर को ढूंढने हमारे को ग्रांट बंद हो जाएगी. और ये इस 4 लाइनों में उन्होंने 8 बार चौथ बोला, ऐसे गाली बोली 8 बार. तो मैं तब तक मैं अपने पूरे खानदान को बुला चुका था. बिट्टू प्ले कर रहा है, बिट्टू अंग्रेजी प्ले में काम कर रहा है जी, हमारा बिट्टू अंग्रेजी प्ले में काम कर रहा है, इंग्लिश प्ले में. मैं घर में 10 बार ऐसा में लाइनें भी बता चुका था मेरे फादर को. मेरे फादर मेरे सबसे बड़े फैन थे. इवन टिल द लास्ट फिल्म दैट ही सॉ 3 years back, he remained my biggest fan on ever. So मैंने तो हरदर्शन सर के पांव पकड़ लिए. मैंने कहा सर मुझे प्ले से बात मत निकालिए सर, मैं अगर प्ले से निकल गया तो मैंने पूरे मोहल्लों को बता दिया सर, दोस्तों को बता दिया, रिश्तेदारों को बता दिया, तो मेरा तो बड़ी बेइज्जती हो जाएगी सर. तो उन दिनों स्टूडेंट के गिड़गिड़ाने से टीचर का दिल बहल जाता था. तो उन्होंने प्रिंसिपल साहब को कहा जी बड़ा बीबा मुंडा है, गुड फैमिली रहेगा है, इसको प्ले से नहीं निकालते हैं, एक काम करते हैं इसके सारे डायलॉग जज को दे देते हैं. किसी जज अपने आप ही बोल देगा चार्जेस अगेंस्ट यू आर फॉलोइंग, चार्ज नंबर 1, चार्ज, और तू चुप रही, तू चुप करके मुंडी लाता रहता. नेक्स्ट डे नाटक शुरू हो गया. फिर खेर खानदान के सारे चमकते सितारे लेफ्ट में बैठे हुए, 15-20 लोग साथ में बैठे हुए. 14 तो हमारी फैमिली के ही थे, बाकी जितने कश्मीरी होते थे सबको बुला लेते थे. तो मैं तो रिलैक्स था, मेरे को तो कुछ नहीं करना था, मुझे सिर्फ मुंडी लानी थी. सडनली, और वो बड़ा हमने फायर ब्रिगेड से हमने वो कपड़े मंगाए थे, गाउन, और वो जो ऐसी टोपी ऐसी नहीं होती फायर ब्रिगेड वालों की, तो हम लगे कि रोमन एम्प्रेस टाइप से लगे. मतलब क्लर्क ने भी वही पहना था और जज ने भी वही पहना था, पोर्शिया ने भी वही पहना था और शैलॉक ने भी वही पहना था. ये और मैंने गाउन वाउन पहन के मैं नीचे मेकअप लगा के ऐसे कर रहा था. सडनली मैंने सुना जज कह रहा है क्लर्क ऑफ द कोर्ट रीड आउट द चार्जेस. वो बेचारा भूल गया था और उसके मुंह से निकल गया था. तो मैंने उसको बोला दाउ रीड आउट द चार्जेस. टीचर सेड दैट यस्टरडे. और ये लाइव ऑडियंस चल रही है. पर सिमरा में कौन से साले सब शेक्सपियर के बाप पे, किसी को पता नहीं था कुछ क्या हो रहा है. और मैंने दाव तो लगा दिया था. वो फिर बोला क्लर्क ऑफ द कोर्ट दाउ रीड आउट द चार्जेस इन इंग्लिश. अब मेरा रोना निकल गया. पिताजी कर रहे थे, तो मैंने कहा दाउ रीड आउट द चार्जेस. प्रिंसिपल सेड यस्टरडे 8 lines 27 mistakes में। तब तक प्ले अपनी पटरी से उतर चुका था। वो फिर बोला, क्लर्क ऑफ द कोर्ट, आई एम टेलिंग यू रीड आउट द चार्जेस इन इंग्लिश। यही चलता जा रहा है। तो मैंने विंग्स में देखा, हरदर्शन सर मुझसे भीख मांग रहे थे ऑलमोस्ट, क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल साहब डिप्टी कमिश्नर साहब के हाथ बैठे थे और डिप्टी कमिश्नर को तो समझ में आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है। वो प्रिंसिपल को देख रहा था, तेरी ग्रांट तो बंद हो गई बेटा। और जैसे ही उसकी ग्रांट बंद हुई तो हरदर्शन सर स्कूल से बाहर हो गए। सारा लाइफ, सबकी लाइफ का दारोमदार मुझ पर था। हरदर्शन सर कह रहे थे, मैंने कहा पढ़ दूं? फिर याद आया कि पेपर भी नहीं है जेब में, बिकॉज मैं तो रिलैक्स था, मैं तो मेरी मुंडी ला रहा था। फिर मैंने कहा खड़े होकर, चलो कुछ बोलता हूं। मैंने कहा, यू साला शाइलॉक, व्हाट डू यू थिंक ऑफ योर सेल्फ यार? ही इज रेडी टू गिव यू मनी, यू वांट पाउंड ऑफ फ्लैश, पाउंड ऑफ जूता उठा के मारूंगा तेरे को मैंने नोट किया कि मेरे एक एक डायलॉग पे ऑडियंस का हंस के बुरा हाल हो रहा था। और सबसे ज्यादा मेरे माँ बाप हंस रहे थे, तो देख रहे थे बेटा क्या कॉमेडी कर रहा है। उस दिन मर्चेंट ऑफ वेनिस में सबसे ज्यादा अपलॉज देने वाला था क्लर्क ऑफ द कोर्ट। मतलब मुझे तो ये भी लग रहा है मेरे डायलॉग सुनकर विलियम शेक्सपियर कब्र से बाहर ना आ जाए कहीं। दिस इज सेकेंड डिजास्टर। सो डिजास्टर अगेन taught me that not to give up. फिर मैं बीच में तोतला हो गया। मैं एक पहाड़ से गिरा हमारे घर के सामने ही, और मेरी जबान कट गई। इट्स अ ट्रूथ। दिस वाज स्टोन पीस। हो गया तेरा बेटा? तेरी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होगी उसके साथ? क्या मंगा रहा है तू? नहीं मंगवा लेते ना, पहले बात खत्म कर लेते ना। लेट्स जस्ट फिनिश दिस फर्स्ट। नहीं बेटा, गलती कोई बात नहीं, मुझसे सबसे होती गलती बेटा, मुझसे तो बचपन से गलती होती जा रही है। बैठ जा बैठ जा। बस क्या चाहिए क्या? मेरा फोटो क्लिक करना है। 1 मिनट रुक जा, सब लोग रुक जाओ भैया, इसको फोटो क्लिक करना है। चल मंगवा लो, फोन कैमरा ले दे दो भाई। रुक जा, तू ही ले ले बेटा अभी। सेल्फी लेनी। अरे अब मैं कंटिन्यू करूं? चल शाबाश। ओए अब तू घर चला जा। क्या फायदा हुआ तेरे को? न तेरा सेल्फी हुआ, न तू मेरे साथ खड़ा हुआ, और वहां बट ऐसे कर जा रहा। थोड़ा सटल भी नहीं हो रहा। जैसे वो पीछे एक भाई साहब बैठे, तीसरी बार उबासी ले चुके हैं। नेक्स्ट टाइम उबासी लेंगे तो सामने वाली महिला उनके मुंह में चली जाएगी। तोतला हो गया मैं। लाइफ इज सच ए ब्यूटिफुल थिंग दैट इट कैन नॉट स्टॉप यू फ्रॉम डूइंग एनीथिंग। व्हाई आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू दैट इट इज द मोस्ट, लाइफ इन इटसेल्फ गिव्स यू मोटिवेशन। तोतला हो गया तो मेरी जबान कट गई, तो उसका परिणाम यह निकला कि मैं क नहीं बोल पाता था। क की जगह मैं त बोलता था। किधर जा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो। मतलब अगर मेरी वाइफ को मैं, पहले तो वो तोतले से शादी ना करती, मगर अगर हो जाती तो मेरा नाम उनको कहता तिरंतेर। और मेरी बदकिस्मती देखिए, जिस लड़की से मुझे मोहब्बत हुई उसका नाम था कविता कपूर। कविता कपूर तारा हॉल स्कूल की थी और उसको मैं अच्छा लगता था। अभी मोहब्बत की शुरू की दास्तान चल रही थी। उसको पता लग गया, जैसे हिंदी फिल्म की हीरोइन होती है ना, उसकी 5-6 उससे बुरी दिखने वाली फ्रेंड्स होती हैं। कभी हीरोइन की फ्रेंड्स गुड लुकिंग नहीं होती हैं, क्योंकि अगर वो गुड लुकिंग हुई तो ये हीरोइन क्यों है। तो ऐसी कुछ टेढ़ी मेढ़ी ऊपर नीचे उनके आसपास घूमते। तो उसकी 4-5 फ्रेंड्स थी। एक दिन उसने मुझे बुलाया, उसने कहा अनुपम, टेल मी इन इंग्लिश माई फुल नेम एंड से आई लव यू कविता कपूर एंड आई विल ऑल्सो रेसिप्रोकेट। मतलब कुछ ऐसा ही बोला होगा, मुझे रेसिप्रोकेट बोलता तब तक मुझे तो 22 साल की उम्र में पता लगा रेसिप्रोकेट बोलना भी होता है। तो मैंने बोला आई लव यू डार्लिंग। अच्छा, मैं घर से रिहर्सल करके जाता था ऐसे ऐसे वर्ड्स की जिसमें क नहीं आता था, सीरियसली। मतलब नॉट ओनली फॉर कविता कपूर बट जनरली ऑल्सो आई यूज टू सिंग, आई यूज टू लव सिंगिंग। तो एक गाना था, कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों। उसमें सिर्फ कर जो है क शुरू में आता है, तो मैं गाता था वो गाना, कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन। तो मैं रिहर्सल करके जाता था। तो उसने बोला, नहीं अनुपम, इफ यू टेल मी कविता कपूर आई लव यू, तो आई विल ऑल्सो से आई लव यू। तो मैंने बड़ा बोला, डार्लिंग आई लव यू, ओ आई लव यू, कहती नहीं। तब तक मुझे धीरे धीरे मेरी बेइज्जती महसूस होने लगी। तो मैंने फाइनली उसको बोला, कविता कपूर आई डोंट लव यू। सो अनदर फेलियर। बट इन दिस होल थिंग my father gave me the biggest lesson of how to celebrate failure, which I always share with my friends and whosoever I am talking to. So let me just share this incident with you. In Simla on the Mall Road, there is a very famous restaurant called Alpha Restaurant. Alpha Restaurant is a very posh kind of a restaurant, जहाँ पर जो सुपरिटेंडेंट होते थे वो जाते थे या बड़े बड़े ऑफिशियल जाते थे। मगर हम चार लोग, मैं, मेरे फादर, मेरी मदर और मेरा छोटा भाई, ये 6 महीने में एक बार वहां जाते थे, सिर्फ हम 4 लोग। तो वो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन होता था, क्योंकि 14 लोगों में से हमको टाइम ही नहीं मिलता था कभी 4 लोगों को साथ में बैठने का। माय फादर हैड डिसाइडेड दैट 4 people once in 6 months we will go to Alpha Restaurant, and वहां फिक्स्ड मेन्यू होता था हमारा, मटन समोसा, पाइनएप्पल पेस्ट्री एंड एस्प्रेसो कॉफी। और मेरे पिताजी 50 पैसे डालते थे टिप, और हम बड़े खुश होते थे। हमारे लिए वो दिवाली से, क्रिसमस से, न्यू ईयर से, होली से सबसे बड़ा त्योहार होता था। अभी हम 2 महीने पहले वहां जा चुके थे, अब हमको 4 महीने बाद जाना था। ये एक पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी है। दूसरा पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी है कि शिमला में अगर आप 10th में अपने एग्जाम दिया है, तो बोर्ड का एग्जाम देने के बाद दे यूज्ड टू मेक यू सिट इन द 11th स्टैंडर्ड, और 2 महीने बाद रिजल्ट आते थे। अगर आप फेल हो गए तो आपको वापस 10th स्टैंडर्ड में भेज देते थे। That was the most humiliating thing that could happen to a 16-year-old boy, कि फेल हो गया, आप वापस चला जाता। तो एक दिन मेरे फादर को कोई एजुकेशन बोर्ड में जानता था। एक दिन मेरे फादर स्कूल में आए 3 बजे करीब, उन्होंने कहा चल छुट्टी करते हैं। सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी दैट माय फादर वाज हेल्पिंग मी इन बंकिंग द स्कूल। सो व्हेन वी वेंट, ही सेड कहां चलेगा? तो मैंने कहा अभी अल्फा तो बोल नहीं सकता, क्योंकि वहां तो 4 महीने बाद जाना, अभी 2 महीने पहले गए हैं। तो मैंने कहा कहीं भी चलते हैं जी, नथु स्वीट्स पे या कहीं भी। तो उन्होंने कहा अल्फा चलेगा? मैंने कहा बट वी जस्ट वेंट 2 months बैक, अब तो 4 महीने बाद जाना है। तो उन्होंने कहा नहीं चलते हैं। तो मुझे लगा ये 3 चीजें ऑर्डर नहीं करेंगे, एक चीज ऑर्डर करेंगे, वो भी सिर्फ मेरे लिए। बट आई वॉज सरप्राइज दैट ही ऑर्डर्ड मटन समोसा, पाइनएप्पल पेस्ट्री एंड एस्प्रेसो कॉफी, नॉट ओनली फॉर मी एंड बट ऑल्सो फॉर हिमसेल्फ। तो आई आस्क्ड हिम, आई सेड क्या हुआ, सब ठीक तो है ना? आपकी कोई लॉटरी लगी है, प्रमोशन हुआ है, कुछ हुआ? नहीं, खा तू खा। तो उन्होंने खाया, और जब बिल आया तो 50 पैसे की जगह 1 रुपया उन्होंने टिप रख दिया। तो मैंने कहा कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो गई है, कुछ दिमाग सरक गया, क्या हो गया? मैंने कहा आप ये क्या कर रहे हो, हुआ क्या है? तो उन्होंने कहा मैं एजुकेशन बोर्ड में गया था, मैंने तेरा रिजल्ट पता किया, तू फेल हो गया है। So I said, फेल हो गया हूं? तो मतलब ये क्या कर रहे हो आप? He said, I'm celebrating your failure. So that if ever in your life you fail, you must remember that you can celebrate your failure, because that will give you much more experience and much more wisdom. So if a 16-year-old boy is dealt like this by his own father, then दुनिया की कौन सी ताकत उसको रोक सकती है? फिर जूते मिले ना मिले, चप्पल में भी काम चल सकता है। प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि एज वी ग्रो, वी स्टॉप ट्रस्टिंग आवरसेल्व्स, वी स्टॉप थिंकिंग दैट देयर इज समथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट अस। आई ऑलवेज फील देयर इज समथिंग स्पेशल अबाउट मी, बिकॉज दैट्स द ओनली वे टू लिव। What is personality? Personality, according to me, is somebody who is comfortable being who he is. I am comfortable with the person that I am. Like once my grandfather was eating, and while eating he was making this sound, ऐसे खाते समय। तो मेरी माँ उनसे बोली कि बाबूजी आप क्या कर रहे हो, खाना खाते समय कितनी आवाज कर रहे हो? तो मुझे भी आज भी वो दादाजी का जवाब याद है। उन्होंने कहा बेटा मुझे तो मजा आ रहा, प्रॉब्लम तेरी है। So not that you have to do that, but the problem is, the point what I'm trying to get across is that there is everybody has a special something about himself or herself in me. We always want to be somebody else because we think that this is not sufficient. मेरी तो हमको अपनी खामियां ज्यादा नजर आती हैं. तो आज अब जब घर जाएंगे या कल सुबह, थोड़ा आज तो थक गए होंगे, कल सुबह जब उठेंगे तो आप अपने 20 प्लस पॉइंट्स लिखिए और 10 माइनस पॉइंट्स लिखिए. लेट्स डू एन एक्सरसाइज. आइए सर, आप आइए सर, डरिए मत, कोई बात नहीं. अरे आइए ना, किसको फोन किसको करना चाहते? आइए ऊपर आइए, मंच पर आइए. माइक दीजिए साहब को एक. और यहां बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्शन है आप लोगों की. क्या चलता जा रहा है इधर यार? लाओ माइक दो. ये जो इवेंट मैनेजर टीम है ना, जो आपके बहुत कंफ्यूजन है. जस्ट सिट डाउन एंड सेटल डाउन. अच्छा मिल गया. आइए. अभी ऐसे हालात में आदमी को सोचता है कि बेस्ट एक्सप्रेशन ये है कि मुस्कुराता ही रहूं. यू आर हैप्पी? व्हाट्स योर नेम सर?
यूनुस मुल्ला.
यूनुस मुल्ला साहब. कहाँ के रहने वाले हैं आप?
कोलकाता.
इधर के. ऐसे क्यों किया कोलकाता? मतलब
आई लिव इन कोलकाता.
दैट इज राइट. अभी कोलकाता तो दूर है. Who all are in your family? Relax. I'm not going to say anything, sir. You just relax. You're looking nice with the red tie and these flags. Where are you? Who all are in your family, sir?
I have my father, parents.
And that's it? You're not married?
No, I am not married.
Okay, for parents. What does your dad do?
He was a merchant navy officer.
Abhi retire.
Yes.
So, Mr. Mullah, if you have to describe yourself in one word, what will that word be?
So, and I want to be a good human being.
Yeah, this is too many words. No, you don't. I'm not asking you what you want to be. I'm asking you if you have to describe yourself. Like, if I have to describe myself, I will say optimist. Okay, that's the way that's what I am. So how will you describe yourself?
I am very passionate about my job. Passionate.
About anything? Or job to ab aayi hogi na?
Maximum thing.
Maximum. So you're a passionate person.
Yes.
Okay.
I am very passionate.
What is special about you?
So, I love people.
People.
I love people. I support people.
Okay.
To grow in their career, to grow in their life. Because I have learned one lesson when I joined in Rotary. There is a punch line: service above self. So when you serve to other people, don't expect many things. You just serve selflessly.
What is your negative point?
My negative point is I am little bit perfectionist. I try to execute 90% or 95%.
Which is a tension, no?
Not tension, not from me, from my team also.
So they must be hating you.
No, not that.
No, hating is a very strong word, but I personally feel my wife is a perfectionist. So that's why you said it's my negative point.
Not negative, but
no, you just said it. You just said it, no?
Oh, okay.
Why are you a perfectionist?
No.
I'm just trying to understand. So please, I'm not trying to run him down or anything. I'm just trying to understand because my wife is a perfectionist, and she is so stressed out being a perfectionist. कि वो एस्ट्रे जो थी या जो गिलास था वो ऐसे था तो ऐसे क्यों हो गया, उसको ऐसे होना चाहिए. तो उसका स्ट्रेस मुझ पे कुछ नहीं है, बट शी विल कॉन्स्टेंटली सी दैट ये जो उठ के गया है ये इसने सीधा किया कि नहीं किया, या ये जो बाथरूम में जा रहा है ये अभी जाएगा, ही विल यूज द वॉशरूम एंड देन ही विल नॉट स्विच ऑफ द लाइट. ये उसके मन में चल रहा है और मैं तो अपना पजामा कुर्ता पहन के जा रहा हूं, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. By the time I've almost finished, I used the flush. In her mind, she has reached the climax that he is not shutting the light. और मैं जब दरवाजे पर पहुंचता हूं तो अंदर से आवाज आई, लाइट ऑफ की कि नहीं. So in my mind, I'm thinking, 2:30 बजे रात को इतना चिल्ला क्यों रही है? Because in her mind, she has reached the perfection of whether I have done it or not. So, my coming back to you, sir, why do you want to be perfectionist?
No, I have done my education in management world, but I have seen if I do something in a best way, that will be liked by the maximum people.
You are philosophizing. Let's not philosophize.
Okay.
Let's be very simple. Why do you want to be a perfectionist?
If I do any job in a better way, it will not harm. Or
Are you a
affect-
perfect son?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Very
I
good.
respect my parents. I respect my relatives. I respect my.
Your father is happy with you?
Yes,
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Dial his number. Dial, I want to see this. Seriously, I want to speak to him. Listen. Please.
You come to my house, you will see and listen. Not the phone call. I am
He'll
invited.
be happy to hear my voice. And I'll be happy to be hearing what he says, thinks about you. I'm a good son. I listen to my father. So my point is perfection. When I asked you, what is your negative quality? You yourself said, I did not prompt, none of them prompt. You said, I'm a perfectionist. So somewhere it bothers you. Somewhere. So let's be straight and honest. Maybe we'll get it out of your system today. Was your father a strict person?
80%.
Fantastic. So, very good. He's honest. I can understand. He's honest. So he was always, even if you got about 80% marks, he will say, why didn't you get 85% marks?
Not exactly on marks.
Matlab, I'm just
what
saying
you do,
that.
any
He was
job,
never
you want-
very happy with
you
whatever
want
you
quality.
achieved. He even wanted more.
No, you want a little bit quality job, and expectation is qualitative result.
Yeah.
That is.
So that made you a perfectionist. So let's do one thing today. Let's just get rid of this tight jacket of yours. From today onwards.
I am opening.
No, I will open, sir. छोड़ दे. Isn't it looking better and relaxed? Yeah? This is your personality, sir. अगर मैं यहाँ विग पहन के आ जाता तो मैं आपसे बात कर सकता था. मेरे को एसी से डर लगता कि हवा इस तरफ चल रही है. So anything which is bothering you, which is in your hand, you can change it. Acknowledging a problem is the first step. It's in your control. Acknowledging the problem is the first step. Solving the problem is the last step. And solving the problem is in your hands. But sometimes we start behaving because we think this is what is good about me. We don't. It's not important. Every time, they're like today's children constantly say, that's the way I am. अरे उल्लू के पट्टे 18 साल का है तू मैं तो 90 साल की उम्र में भी नहीं बोल पाऊंगा कि that is the way I am, because there is always a possibility of becoming somebody else. So promise me that from tomorrow onwards you'll be more happy than perfectionist.
Okay, good. I'll try to maintain it.
No, you said you will do it.
Okay, I'll do it.
Yeah?
I'll do it.
Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. So similarly, I feel we are our own enemies. We are our own. We are very harsh to ourselves. We don't really indulge in the luxury of who I am. There's something special about us. Why will God make somebody who is not special? If God has made you and you have come to this world, that means there is something special about you. As we grow older or as we grow in years, we lose that speciality. That's why nostalgia is always very good for us. जब हम इस कॉलेज में थे, ये कॉलेज बेस्ट हुआ करता था. अब तो सत्यानाश हो गया है ना. ये आप जब भी अपने पुराने कॉलेज में जाते हैं, अपने पुराने मोहल्ले में जाते हैं, पुराने अल्मा मैटर में जाते हैं, you always feel that this is not the time that we used to have fun. Because you were much more innocent at that time. You were much more yourself. In this whole competition of wanting to be somebody else, you are neither yourself nor that other person. This is a very dignified, sexy, bald look. But when I came to Bombay on the 3rd of June 1981, I was very thin. My hair were going from here and there. All my friends will understand what I am trying to say. मैं आपकी दुखती दर पे मैंने बाल रख दिए. अब आप हंसे आज बड़ी देर के बाद यार. मैं तो कुछ करके थक गया था आपको हंसाने के चक्कर में. फ्रंट रो पे आदमी ऐसे देखा कि मतलब की बात कब करेगा. सर मैं तो मतलब की बात करता ही नहीं है. यही जो है मुझे आता है. So a lot of people, finally I got a film, a lot of people told me that you must wear a wig. I also broke this myth that I was 28 and I played a 65-year-old man's role. A lot of people said, "Arey, how did you think of doing that? Why? तुमको डर नहीं लगा?" तो डर क्या लगना? डर जो है, I think fear is not real, is imaginary. Fear is always imaginary. That अगर मैं यहाँ से गिरा या यहाँ से मैंने जंप किया तो मेरी टांग तो नहीं टूट जाएगी. Fear is always, and fear stops you from wanting to be somebody. Fear stops you from wanting to be yourself. Fear of anything, half the thing. Also failure, I must share that with you, that failure is an event, never a person. The event fails. You failed in the class, you failed in the job failed or something like that. It's never the person. Because we constantly, the madam is sleeping. Sleepy, madam, little sleepy. Let me come to you. बड़ा मुश्किल काम है लोगों को जगा के रखना. Who? I'm not a tough teacher, I'm a survivor. You're tired, ma'am? अरे बाबा, कहाँ फंस गया मैं, हैं? नींद आ रही थी थोड़ा सा. Let's go for a walk. Come. What's your name? Sorry? Indrani ji. आइए. This is the, punishment for trying to sleep while I'm speaking. Indrani, that's what you said? Where are you from?
Triple IM Limited.
Okay, now let's be ourselves. Okay? I know that when you are in a crowd, you feel very secure. Remember that. भीड़ में चल रहे हैं, भीड़ में डर नहीं लग रहा है, हम तो भीड़ में हैं, भी साथ में जा रहा है, हम नहीं डरते, हम भीड़ में हैं. The moment you are singled out, you feel it's like a jungle raj, na? You are in open and you are alone. I'll come back to you soon, don't worry. So, like all of you are laughing in collectiveness. If I ask this gentleman, sir, what's your name, sir? कौशिक जी, आप मेरा इधर आइए. अभी आप सबके साथ तो हंस रहे थे, फोटो खींचता हूं मैं आपकी, एक सेल्फी लेते हैं. चलो, ये सेल्फी पे कौन सा? वाह, थोड़ा मुस्कुरा भी लो. ओके, सो अभी सबके सामने कौशिक जी मुस्कुरा रहे थे, मतलब हंस रहे थे सबके साथ. अब मैं इनसे बोलता हूं हंसने के लिए, अकेले, आप मत हंसिए. सर नहीं सर, मैंने इसलिए पहले फोटो खिंचा ली थी सर आपको. Embarrassed. At least you're being honest about it. So you see, the moment you are singled out, you feel, Indrani, I'm just coming back. Sorry, I know that you're standing there. You feel that I am being watched. So if you think maximum what will happen, people will make fun of me. If you take that fear out, then there is joy. So let's take out this fear from Mr. Kaushik's life. Listen to me. No, keep quiet, sir. Listen to me. I love it. You're a wonderful person.
Yeah.
Huh? Let's just get this out of your system. Let's just get, I'll tell you how to laugh. There's nothing to worry about. What will happen? You have a very senior position in this thing.
Yeah, I was a managing director of a company. Now I left. I started my own.
Fantastic. Now you're free. So let's start. Let's do a laughter thing.
Something different.
No. Okay, dialogue. Dialogue. Come.
Very
fantastic.
Public. Very tough.
इंद्रानी जी फिल्म की हीरोइन है.
My husband.
Listen to it.
My husband is here.
ये इनके पिताजी का रोल कर रहे हैं. ओके? अभी ठीक है? Your husband is there. Do I have the permission of yours, sir? Where is the husband?
I don't know. He is the director of KPMG. Debjit Chakraborty.
So मुझे डरा रहे हो आप ये बोल के? मैं नहीं डरता किसी से. हम तो एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं. क्यों जी?
Very unfortunate.
Very unfortunate. जी मुझे आज तक किसी ने नहीं बोला कि अनफॉर्चुनेट हो रहा है मेरे साथ. आपका डायलॉग है.
So very difficult to make a public appearance. Very difficult. I can
Sir,
understand.
nothing is difficult, sir. I'm dancing. Okay.
You have a background of
Sir,
490 films.
No, sir. Make me say anything. I will do it for you. Take your jacket.
Speak like Barack Obama.
I don't know him that way. I can't speak English. I'll tell you an interesting incident of my speech. Don't worry. Your husband is KPMG director. Don't worry. He will remain a KPMG director. So the dialogue is, अगर तुम्हें उससे शादी करनी है, अगर तुम्हें उससे शादी, if you want to marry that guy, you don't have my permission. Simple dialogue. Huh? Mr. Kaushik, your dialogue is, I will only marry him, KPMG director. Okay?
First is mine.
First is your dialogue. Indrani's dialogue is first. What is your dialogue?
I want to marry him only.
I want to marry him only. And what is your dialogue, sir?
If you want to marry him, then you will not be my daughter.
You will be not my dialogue. Very good, sir. Scene is directed by Mr. Anupam Kher. Yes, sir. You want a rehearsal or shall we go straight for the take? Straight for the take. Indrani is very, very confident and very sure this is fantastic.
I would not compliment AVP for calling Anupam Kher and pulling my leg like this, sir.
Sir. What? What, sir? What is wrong, sir? This is once in a lifetime experience, sir. Yeah. I'm very happy. Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you. Take it that way.
Yes, sir. Let's just go ahead. I'm not taking it. Dialogue.
I want to marry Debjit only. He's a KPMG director.
Sorry, Indrani, I can't accept that. You being my daughter, please don't accept him.
Otherwise, I won't marry.
Then you are not my daughter then.
Okay.
Sorry. Please keep my word. Get someone marry someone else.
Fantastic! Sir. Super, sir. What was the fear, sir? Thank you very much.
Did you pay for this?
Super. You want me to pay you for this?
After for you.
Hold on. एक मिनट पकड़ेंगे.
Thank you.
Very good, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So, nothing is impossible. Mr. Kaushik, you are 100 rupees richer today. And we have contributed to the KPMG director also. Our own fear, our own man ka fear, which is imaginary, which may not be there, which may not be a reality. Our own fear stops us from being ourselves. And yet, ourselves, with our own persona, is the most valuable persona to your own self. Because you draw your strength from yourself, but you choose to draw your weaknesses from yourself. unfortunately. You draw your happiness from yourself, but you want to draw sadness from yourself. You know, sadness is the worst. मेरा time हो गया? नहीं ना? अभी कितना time है मेरे पास? No, I want to have a question answer session also, so that we'll okay, 10 minutes. Okay, fantastic. Okay. मुझे black coffee मिल सकती है किसी को बोल के? Thank you. So, what was I saying? So my point is, we have about 400 people over here. We have 400 very important individuals in this hall. But we will rather be a crowd than be an individual. How can you not be an individual when there is a possibility of being an individual? So how can you be an individual, your own persona, by saying, I don't know. Sir, what do you think this war is going to take place? Now you want to sound intelligent, so you will give an opinion. I know, I don't know is the magic 3 words. What do you think this government is going to do? I don't know. Not because you want to escape, but because you actually do not know. An opinion hai to dijiye. How does it matter? Because in this world today, in India, every 15 minutes, if there are 30 news channels, every 15 minutes there is a breaking news. And breaking news is never about good things. It's only about bad things. Rape, corruption, nonsense, baad, ye sab jo bhi hai. Matlab, theek hai. Kabhi achhi news nahi hoti hai. So you are made to feel that you are living in a dangerous world, where there is only negative things happening. Somebody is killing somebody, somebody is shooting somebody, somebody is raping somebody, somebody is violent, somebody is doing ghapla, somebody is in corruption. So you are becoming more and more singular person. The joy of the joint family is gone. You understand? Where you will have somebody or the other answering your questions. So that's one thing, that you are staying, unfortunately, in a world where people do not trust the other person. We are becoming like America. America में nobody trusts anybody, in the sense you don't trust. एक बार मैं अमेरिका में पहली बार LA गया था, तो ये हॉलिडे होटल था, वो सामने बहुत बड़ा मॉल था. तो मुझे मेरे प्रोडक्शन वाले ने कहा, ये मॉल से जाना, बीच में हाईवे था, फ्रीवे, तो ये ब्रिज क्रॉस करके जाना और वहां शॉपिंग करके इसी से बाहर निकल जाना, सामने हॉलिडे नजर आएगा. So I went in for 3-4 hours, but when I came out from a different gate, which I did not know, and I can't see my hotel. And I had bags in my hand, and I had heard that the mugging takes place. You know, small town boys told that mugging takes place. तो जेब के अंदर के अंदर हम $1 छुपा के रखते थे. So I was standing there, and there was this guy standing next to his car, an American, obviously. And I was thinking in my mind, should I ask him where his holiday in? So, but before I could ask him, he said to me, "You are staring at me." So I just kept quiet. कि तो पता नहीं यही तो नहीं मार देगा. तो उसने कुछ गाली वाली देके बोला, Why are you staring at me? You're staring at me. मैंने पता क्या किया? Excuse me, am I staring at you? Sorry, I did not know that I was staring at you. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry, sir. वो एकदम पागल हो गया. Oh no, I did not. I said, no, I'm sorry. मैंने अंधे की एक्टिंग करनी शुरू कर दी. वो बिठाया मुझे अपनी गाड़ी में और हॉलिडे इन के गेट पे छोड़ के गया. बट हमारे देश की खूबियां भी बहुत कमाल की हैं. हमारे देश में कमाल की खूबियां हैं. यहां साइकियाट्रिस्ट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. साइकियाट्रिस्ट की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है लोगों को? क्योंकि लोगों के पास कोई बात करने को नहीं होता है. So you have your own conversation with yourself, and then you want to find something. Over here, आप पान वाले से भी बात कर सकते हो, ऑटो रिक्शा वाले से भी बात कर सकते हो. क्या सर आप बड़े मूड में खड़ा हो? कुछ नहीं यार, आज बीवी ने सुबह मार दिया पकड़ के, ऐसे ही कुछ भी. You don't have to find people. पान वाला पान बनाते समय बोलता है, क्या सर, क्या शुक्ला जी क्या चल रहा है आजकल? कुछ नहीं यार, छोटा बेटा बड़ा परेशान कर रहा है आजकल. You share your problem. We have a communication issue. In America, You do the same thing by paying $500 to somebody who is making you lie down on a couch and saying, "Kya problem hai? Kuch nahi sir, my wife," etc., etc. So there are plus points and minus points. What I'm trying to say that we live in a world, you need to interpret it the way you want to interpret it. You need to find power. What is my power? My power is that I am myself. I am the king of my life, or I am the queen of my life. I will choose what I want to choose about my life. I will decide. We have not, or you have not pampered yourself for a long time. You don't think that you're special because you're bogged down by problems. You're bogged down by situations. And 90% problem may be right. But it's all right. Those problems are going to be there. My father used to say something very interesting. He said, "Beta, जो first आता है ना, उसको बड़ी टेंशन रहती होगी." मैं क्यों डैड? उसको हमेशा फर्स्ट आना होता होगा। ये खेल में फर्स्ट आया तो अगले साल भी फर्स्ट आना चाहिए। पढ़ाई में फर्स्ट आया तो मैं अगले साल अगर पढ़ाई में सेकंड आ गया तो मैं तो फेलियर हो गया। या तो जो 57th आता है वो 48th आ सकता है, 36th आ सकता है, 27th आ सकता है, 19th आ सकता है। So that is why the fingerprints, how many billion people live in this world? The fingerprints don't match. What does that indicate? That you are special. You are an individual. You are an identity of yourself. Recognize that. It's very important to recognize what is special about you. I am the son of a clerk of a forest department from Shimla. 38% marks. Tongue got nonsensical. First two plays were a disaster. And yet, today, I am standing on stage and you are much more educated and you are looking at me. That's because I chose to be special. Not because of my achievements, not because of all those awards. No. I'm a special child. Even in these people, even in the world of Amir Khans and Amitabh Bachchans and all those people, I'm special because nobody has worked with Robert De Niro except for me. Nobody has the power to make people laugh, make people communicate. I feel special about it. It's not arrogance. It's understanding of life. So today, when you move out of this room, please think you are special. Please give yourself that special hug to your own self. Because that is what will make you who you are. That's all for today. I will take some questions now. Thank you. Yes, sir. Any questions or anything? Yes, sir. You want to take mic? Hi.
Hi. So something I'm a little bit afraid to admit, but I'll say anyway. I actually don't speak Hindi, so
It's okay.
I missed a lot of the funny and important points that you made. So for the benefit of some other people in the audience that might not speak Hindi, can you recap some of the key lessons?
People who know English and Hindi both, they will teach you.
Yeah.
They will tell you everything. Okay, so somebody please, what's your name, sir?
Shreyas.
Shreyas.
Shreyas, yeah.
Shreyas.
Yeah.
The name is Shreyas.
That's
Okay, let's have the name right. Shreyas.
Shreyas.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's right, not Shreyas. I basically, what I meant was that there is something special about you, just recognize it. That's what my whole thing was about. That was the summary. But next time I'll try and speak only English. I must tell you about one English incident. I have to tell you. This is very interesting. मैं DAV स्कूल में था और मेरे चाचा जी थे जो सिर्फ the only person who was graduate in our family of 100 years. बाकी सब मेरे एक चाचा थे वो 8वीं क्लास में 7 बार फेल हुए थे. तो 8वीं बार उनको प्रिंसिपल ने 9वीं कक्षा में प्रमोट कर दिया उन कंपैशनेट ग्राउंड्स क्योंकि क्लास के बाकी बच्चे उनको अंकल बुलाने लगे थे. पंडित द्वारकानाथ जी. You know, in Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, there is a scene where I tell Shah Rukh Khan. So I told Yash Chopra ji and Adi Chopra, I said, can I take please my uncle's name because they are almost fitting the bill कि ये आदमी 8 बार फेल हुआ है, ये 6 बार फेल हुआ है, ये इसमें फेल हुआ है. तो उन्होंने कहा ओके. तो मैंने सबके नाम लिए. जब फिल्म रिलीज होने वाली थी तो रिलीज हो गई और श्रीनगर में लेट लग रही, तो मैंने ऑल माय अंकल को चिट्ठी लिखी कि आई एम सॉरी, मैंने आपके नाम लिए हैं कि आप इतने में इतने फेल हुए। सबने मुझे चिट्ठी करके लिखी, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हम फेमस हो गए। सो इंग्लिश की, सो माय अंकल यूज्ड टू टेल दैट इफ यू रीड एडिटोरियल्स and if you mug them up, you must speak it. You must speak in English by reading the editorials. So I used to read editorials of Tribune newspaper, and I used to speak loudly, mug it up, and then say it. So one day my principal called me up and he said, you know, after 15 days is our prize distribution, and as usual, Princess Durgavati of Lakhanpur, there's a small state in Lakhanpur, near Simla called Lakhanpur, she is coming as the chief guest. Because she used to give maximum donation to the school. So every year she was the chief guest. So I want you to give a speech in her honor this time in English. So मैंने कहा सर आप बताइए, मुझे अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है और मन में ये भी बोला कि आपको भी नहीं आती है। तो कहता नहीं बेटा लिख के दे देंगे, याद करके बोल दियो। तो एक तरफ वो स्पीच थी जो याद उनके प्रिंसेस दुर्गावती ऑफ लखनपुर के ऑनर में थी, एक तरफ वो एडिटोरियल याद कर रहा था, और जैसे जैसे 15 दिन कम होते जा रहे थे मेरी स्पीच मिक्स हो रही थी। बट आई डिड नॉट हैव द हार्ट टू टेल प्रिंसिपल सर मेरी स्पीच मिक्स हो रही है। मेरा प्रिंसिपल बेचारा बहुत दुखी आदमी था मेरे से। तो जब वो फंक्शन शुरू हो गया, इट्स अ लिटिल एग्जैजरेटेड वर्जन ऑफ द स्पीच बट इट्स अ फनी स्पीच। यू नो आई एक्चुअली व्हाट आई सेड, द मिक्सचर ऑफ द स्पीचेस। Ladies of the gentlemen, I could have to understood a few homogeneous word in kind condolence of Princess Durgavati of Lakhanpur. The infection of the great constipation in the large intestine of mankind, which is being spread in pregnancy by her flirting excellency, that is why I am shivering in high frequency. Our divine grace is a mental case, so I will pay my last homage to Her Highness that you came into our school, that is God's nature. Sometimes I look at you, sometimes I furniture. उसके 3 दिन बाद प्रिंसिपल साहब को हार्ट अटैक हुआ था और मुझे कहीं लगता था कि शायद मैं इसका जिम्मेदार था। तो मैंने बड़ी कोशिश की अंग्रेजी में बोलने की। श्रेयस, यस सर, नेक्स्ट।
Sir, I have a question and I also have a prayer to you if you allow me.
Sorry?
I have a question to you and I have also a prayer to you if you allow me.
Yeah, of course.
I am Tahir Ahmed Chowdhury from Bangladesh. Actually, I came to India to attend the session of Infocom. I have the question that I have seen from your delivery and performance that you are a perfect man in all the areas of your life. My question is that who is the model of your life to make yourself so perfect in your life?
Life.
In
life
life
itself is the model.
Yeah.
Biggest inspiration is life. Biggest inspiration is people. When I see people real, that is my inspiration. I am a people-oriented person. Do you know that I never eat alone in my life? I don't eat alone. I am shooting at various places, so I will call somebody from the lobby and say, please sit down with me, etc., so that I can chat with you. Because I think the act of eating alone is the loneliest act in the world. A man or a woman who is eating alone. A lot of people while eating alone watch TV, but that still is eating up. So life is the biggest inspiration for me.
Oh, thank you, sir. So I have a prayer. If you can tell me, I can tell you. My prayer is that I am from Bangladesh. I have seen you in first time. And I think
you like me?
I like you, and I think I will get no chance to meet you again.
I
So
hope
if
so.
you allow me, I would like to get a photograph with you.
I will, of course. असली बात जो बाद में बोलनी थी, वो असली बात थी। मेरे वो जो चाचा थे ना, जो 8वीं में 7 बार फेल हुए, जब हम छोटे थे, वो ऐसे शुरू करते थे बात। दूसरी बात क्या है ना, तो हम सब बच्चे इस टेंशन में रहते थे कि पहली बात क्या थी। Yes, sir. Oh, you immediately now? I'm so excited. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, we're coming to you.
Sir, you act, you direct, you teach, acting to different people. Often we find in our life that there are many aspirations and sometimes it becomes a conflicting priority. So how do you manage priorities of life among many different
I
things?
do so many things, first of all, because I'm not scared of failure. So I try out things and I tell myself maximum what will happen. I will fail. People will make fun of me. That's one thing. Number two, my grandfather used to say a busy man has time for everything. Number three, I'm passionate about life actually. For me, this is not just one session, one motivational lecture in Infocom and finished life over, I'll go back to my room. That's why I asked, I did not even realize how much time we have spent. Because my joy is to communicate. Because let me just tell you, and I'm not saying it just for the brownies, that I learn much more from your response than what I give it to you. Because even in vibrations, my richness depends on you. To be able to get attention of so many people lovingly is a great thing. Plus, I think it's one life. Life is beautiful. It's so wonderful. Is that the fact that God has given us a chance to be ourselves. We can be very happy thinking how many people are worse than us, and we can be very sad by thinking how many people are better than us. So in every situation, I find happiness. I did a lot of work I do a lot of work for children, and it started with I was in that frame of mind where थोड़ा दिमाग खराब हो जाता है ना, जब एक्टर बन जाता है, पैसा वैसा आ जाता है शुरू में, तो मेरा उन दिनों दिमाग खराब था. तो एसी चल रहा था मेरी गाड़ी में, मैं फिर भी ड्राइवर को बोल रहा था एसी और ऊंचा करो, एसी और ऊंचा करो. My car stopped near that Worli traffic light, and I was telling my driver, थोड़ा एसी बढ़ाओ, गर्मी लग रही है. There was this 6 or 5-year-old girl who was an urchin who was begging. She came to beg near my car, and then as she came closer to the this window of the car, she put her face on the window of my car, and it was cold and it was inside, that she forgot to beg and she went off to sleep in those 20 seconds. That changed my life. So there is inspiration anywhere. I started working for children. So I think if you want to do something, you will always find time. And I want to do. I'm a person who I don't think, I do. It's as simple as that. And I'm not scared of failure. So I'm a liberated person. You can't frighten me, because I'm saying myself, I'm not scared of failure. I hope that answers my question. Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Can I ask you, sir?
Okay. Let the lady ask, then we will come to you. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. It was a brilliant experience with you.
Thank
But just to get back to all the stories that you've collated over your life, there is one common thing that has shown up, and I don't know, I felt it, so I'm voicing it, that a minimum amount of attention has come to you right from the beginning. So do you think that getting a bit of attention also brings out the best in you? Now, let's say if you had not got the attention, would you be Anupam Kher as you are today?
No, it's not true that I have always got attention.
Let's say the role in your, Shylock, where you were actually nodding three
that was
times.
a disaster. It is my
But
attitude.
that also got a bit of attention.
No, but that was a trauma for me. Now I can relate that story
Well,
to
we'll take
you.
it as attention because you're here now.
That's what I'm saying, that I look at life in a funny manner. But when it actually happened, or when it actually happens, at that time, it's not, it's trauma. It's how you deal with trauma, or how you deal with tragedy that decides who you are. Attention, though I seek attention. What is wrong in being...
No, there's nothing
No,
wrong.
I understand what you're trying to say. But there is no possibility of if in my life. If I was Brad Pitt, then there would have been a different thing. If I was the Prime Minister, then it would have been a different thing. So there is no, I am very happy to be Anupam Kher, and Anupam Kher is sum total of all his failures, all his disasters, all the way he looked at his life, and that's what makes me think what I am today.
Thank you, sir. I'm Pooja from Team Future.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. Yeah, let's get that gentleman. Yes. Oh, you want to ask? Come here and ask. Why?
I'm meeting you the first and I want to come and ask you.
अच्छा
Secondary thing.
मैं देखो ना लगता हूँ ना मैं हूँ
Sorry?
आज अरे वो समझ गए जो समझने वाले यस सर हाँ जी यहाँ पूछो
Sir, my name is Rohit Shah.
हाँ
Sir, one of your famous show लाइफ में कुछ भी हो सकता है. You interviewed so many celebs. Sir, अगर आप celeb होते and you wanted to get interviewed by someone, who was he or she?
I think the best person to interview will be my wife Kiran Kher because she knows me, she understands me और जो तुम अब कैमरा निकाल रहे हो अपनी जेब
I want to have a
हैं?
selfie with you, sir.
वो मुझे ज्यादा सुन
Sir,
दिखाई
that is a secondary thing, but from the beginning I wanted to ask you this question. Sir, can I please?
What I wanted to ask you is that basically I want to take a picture with you. Yeah, quickly, come on.
Sure.
हाँ जी आप सर आप कुछ पूछना चाह रहे
Thank you, sir.
गुड इवनिंग सर
आप बैठ के पूछिए सर प्लीज
सर आपने शुरुआत में बड़े सीरियस कैरेक्टर रोल किए
जी।
कई एक किए
जी
ज्यादातर फिर कॉमेडी की कुछ विलन्स के रोल भी किए और सब में आपको सफलता मिली और थिएटर में आप शुरू में थे आप थिएटर में भी आते हैं कलकत्ते में भी अपने प्रोग्राम किया है
जी जी जी
और अभी कुछ रिफॉर्मिस्ट यानी कुछ प्रोफेशन में भी नजर आते हैं
जी जी
तो
जी
ये सब में क्या आपको सबसे अच्छा लगता है
देखिए जहां तक तो प्रोसेशंस की बात है दैट्स व्हाट आई फील टुवर्ड्स माय कंट्री I feel that our country is going through a good phase, but there is a section of people who don't want to believe that. So that's what my take is, and I'm what is in my mind. I want to speak about it. I want to stick my neck out. As far as I've enjoyed my horrible roles also, because for me, journey is much more important than destination. You know, I don't think of destination. That मैं वहां पहुंचा. If you reach your destination and you don't remember the journey, that journey was not worth it. So I've loved doing comedy. I don't actually do villains role. Our earlier villains were very comical, actually. Up in real life, there are so many villains on news channels. If you see, the blood is real, the bullet is real, people who are dying are real. But I love my work and I love whatever I do. That's what is important. Yes, sir. Anji.
Sir, I have two questions.
Okay, sir. Can I have a chair, please?
The first one is, if you face something very difficult situation, say for some reason, if you know for certain that after some days you are going to die, what will be your reaction? That's the first one. And the second one, आप बोल रहे थे कि बी योर सेल्फ तो उस तस्वीर में आपका मूछे इज देयर आपने मूछ क्यों मुंडवाए सेकेंड वन
बस इतने ही ना मूछ मुझे मुंडवाना अच्छा नहीं लगता आई एम प्लेइंग MS Dhoni's father's role and unfortunately he does not have a mustache so I asked him I met him in Ranchi 1 week back. ऐसे सर आपने ये मूछें क्यों कटाई थी तो उन्होंने बड़ा अच्छा बोला उन्होंने बेटा मेरे यहाँ पर इस एक पोर्शन में आती नहीं थी बाल नहीं आते थे तो उसके लिए मुझे कटानी पड़ी but that doesn't mean that physical appearance you can't change when I'm saying that you need to be yourself is as a person not as physically too you can change because it's not in your control. Your first question is if I came to know that I was going to die after few days what will be my reaction? I'll feel very sad. I will think that I have to do so many things. But why will I think about death? Life is so beautiful. I will think when it has to come, it has to come. I don't think of negative things. I don't think of death, etc. Sometimes the thought does come into your mind. But every moment that I have lived is worth so many things. It's beautiful to be alive. It's beautiful to do things. I do so much. I leave every morning at 7 o'clock in the morning and I find work. I do things. You have to create your own work. Yes, sir.
My name is Amit Roy. I run an IT company. It was wonderful hearing you, and you are an awesome person, and
Thank you.
I mean awesome, awesome, and awesome, and awesome.
Thank you.
My question to you is, what are the top 3 priorities in life you have, and what has been your happiest moment till date?
Top 3 priorities of my life. I never thought about it. Let me think about it. I think my priority is that I want to communicate what I have learnt in life with as many people as I can. I really want to communicate. I believe in communicating people. I believe in goodness. I believe in... To make somebody happy is the easiest thing in the world. Easiest thing in the world, but we make it so difficult. My priority is one of the priorities that I want to... Means it's not actually, it will take time, but I want to build an orphanage in next 4 or 5 years. I want to build a very model orphanage. Whenever I go abroad, I go to a lot of orphanages, and their orphanages are much more lively, bright, and friendly than our orphanages. Our orphanages are like jails, unfortunately. I don't know. The third priority, I've never thought of it, but I will think about it. To be a good son, I think after my father passed away, my mother is there. I feel very close to her. I'm very close to my brother, my family. I like people, so I like to... For me, motivational lectures are given the name motivational, but I think it's my need to talk to people. It's my need. If I can change somebody's thinking, even 10%, for me it will be biggest achievement. And everybody can change. Yes, sir.
Sir, once again, you're awesome, 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 and awesome.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi,
sir.
Can I ask? सर कुछ भी हो सकता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है वो तो हम हरदम देखते हैं Can I come and just have an autograph with you, sir?
What we'll do is now, I think I will answer last 2 questions.
Sir, autograph?
After that, we'll see 2 questions, 1 question by this gentleman.
It's always awesome interacting with you. I have 2 questions. First one is from the reference that you said that in the 60s era, we didn't feel so poor because then television and media came and make some comparative analysis in front of us. Isn't it? So do you personally think this comparative analysis, we don't have, this kind of things is a barrier or a facilitator to progress?
No, because unfortunately we live in times of marketing. Everything is being marketed. Even poverty is being marketed.
What do you think? This comparative analysis is a facilitator or a barrier to progress?
What is barrier to progress?
This comparative analysis. Constant comparative.
It's a way of life. You have to live in these times.
And second question is, as an actor, you play a lot of lives in different movies. So is it one life in? How do you see? Is one life in many lives, or are many life in one life?
Many lives in one life. Last question, sir.
Hi, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Let a lady ask this question.
Hi, sir. Sir, me.
She wants to ask a question, beta.
Thank you, sir. It was a wonderful evening. I mean, my day was made.
Thank you.
And I just wanted to say you that my father-in-law is suffering from cancer and he's in the last stages of it. How do I motivate him to live happily for the last days of his life?
You know, my brother, in 2004, I was shooting in London. And at 8 o'clock London time, which is 12:30 India time, or maybe 1:30 India time, I get a news that I've got the Padma Shri. So I was very happy, very thrilled. And after a few hours, my younger brother, who I'm very close to, he called me up and he told me that I've been doing some tests and I've been diagnosed with cancer. So 2 extreme news came within a period of few hours. I think what you should do with him is not try to motivate him, but to give him as much love as you can. It's very difficult because a person who is suffering, cancer is a very strong word. My friend is over here. He has come to meet his younger brother who is suffering with major cancer. Strangely, I did a Hollywood film recently. I played a cancer specialist in that. So you cannot take his loneliness away from him. Because when in the night he must be sleeping, or when you are sleeping, he must be going through trauma. He must be going through trauma by thinking about so many things. You need to make him laugh. Show him movies which are funny. Show him, tell him, talk to him, and don't make him feel... sometimes too much of goodness also makes the other person feel, oh my God, I'm handicapped. You understand? So don't be normal with him. Absolutely be normal with him, as if, so what, cancer? My brother, by the grace of God, is absolutely fine now. So, and even in the film, I had a very interesting dialogue. It says that the medicine will do its own job. What you can do is to give him surroundings of happiness. And in a subtle manner. Don't say, Papa birthday, happy birthday, Papa, ye lo phool le lo. Nothing. By being oblivious of his illness. Because when you show more concern, he will get more concerned about you. That my daughter is more aware of my cancer, that's why she is being normal. So once in a while shout at him. Be normal like you used to do earlier before he was diagnosed with cancer. Be normal with him. Be real with him. I know.
That's true, but he knows that he's in the very advanced stage. He's quite aware of his disease.
But that you can't do anything about it. The only thing you can do about it, make his God give him long, long life, but whatever time he has, give it a memorable time. By being yourself. Share your everything, spell it out, whatever you feel. We don't share our love with our parents, unfortunately. We don't tell our parents how much do we love. We tell our girlfriends, wives, we are very expressive. You know, I always say that, जब पिताजी का फोन आता, please बैठ जाइए. I will pray for your father. पिताजी का या माताजी का फोन आता है. हाँ, क्या मामा? हाँ, बाद में बात करता हूँ. बाद में बात. आ रहा ना यार. हाँ? सुनाई दे रहा. अच्छा अच्छा बाद में फोन करो. ओके ओके हो जाए. गर्लफ्रेंड का फोन आया. हाँ? क्या? हाँ? हाँ? क्या कह रही हो? हाँ? हाँ? So I think the best thing is to every single day or once in a week tell your parents how much do you love them. Because unfortunately the people we take most for granted is our parents. It was wonderful talking to all of you. I had a great time. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Anupam Kheji.
Cameraman ka. बोल बेटा.
सर, आपने पहला दिन का जो आपका ड्रामा था उसके बारे में बोला.
अभी बेटा बहुत देर में.
सर एक नहीं वो एक जब पहले दिन आप क्यों क्वेश्चन मेरा करना था.
मारो पकड़ के. हाँ.
तो मैं भी सोचता हूँ कि कैमरा का पीछे जाऊंगा, वो फिल्म बनाएंगे, वो छोड़ दीजिए. पहला दिन जब आप वो शॉट देने से पहले वो एहसास एक बार बोल दीजिए, वो सुनने का बहुत.
मैंने कभी बोला है इसके बारे में? अच्छा तो अभी सुनना चाहते हो? बाद में बात करते ना बेटा, थक गया अभी तू भी. ये लोग भी थक गए, आधे उठ गए हैं. वो मैडम परेशान हो रही है बहुत देर से. ये जो साड़ी में, रेड साड़ी में, ये इतनी परेशान हो रही है कि तो बोलता जा रहा है. मेरा इवेंट मैनेजर भी 3 बार बोल चुका है ऐसे कर दे यार. बाद में मुझे माफ कर दे, बाद में बात करता हूँ. हाँ आइए. कम
आप जा रहे थे 4 कदम.
घबराहट थी.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन होता है नहीं.
अरे बेटा
कैमरा ऑन कर.
चलो पेन ले लो. आराम से कोई बात नहीं. 1 मिनट.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we request our delegates to kindly
come downstairs, please.
कितने फोटो लेगा?
We still haven't finished with our program. May we request you to kindly come
I want to
downstairs.
take the pictures with these first ladies first. Come, let them in. They have come. Aja.
We request our delegates, ladies and gentlemen, we are yet to complete our program. May we request you to kindly come downstairs, please.
छोड़ो. ये हाथ हटाओ. चलो.
It's our ardent request to our delegates.
चलो. Okay. All the best.
We'd like to thank Mr. Anupam Kherji. May I request Mr. D.D. Purkar, Managing Director and CEO, ABP Private Limited and Chairman Infocom, to kindly come onto the dais and present a memento to Mr. D.D. Purkar.
दे दो जल्दी दे दो.
We request our delegates to kindly take their seats, please.
Momento.
Can we request you to kindly take your seats, please? We are still yet to complete our program.
According to you, which is your best room?
Charash. Nothing will be there. Somebody will make it. Chalo, aad ja beta. Chalo, momento.
We'd like to thank Mr. Anupam Kher. Thank you, sir, for your overwhelming presence today. We enjoyed each and every moment that you were here with us. Thank you, sir. May I request Mr. D.D. Purkar?
Please don't spoil the evening. Please don't spoil the evening. Please take your seat. What the hell is going on here?
Okay. Relax. अरे क्या बात है?
Ladies and gentlemen, we request you to kindly take your seats, please. We are yet to complete with our program. And it's been such a wonderful program. We'd like to thank Mr. Anupam Kherji for spending such precious moments with us. He made our evening so beautiful. Thank you, sir. May I now request Mr. D.D. Purkar, sir, Managing Director and CEO, ABP Private Limited, and Chairman Infocom, to present a memento to Mr. Anupam Kher. Thank you once again, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
May I now request Dr. Moushami Ghosh, Founder Trustee and Director of Team Future, to present a memento, which is a coffee table book on Kolkata by Raghu Rai, published by Future Impressions, an associate of Team Future.
Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
We are totally overwhelmed by your gracious presence, sir.
Thank you. God bless you.